Hoy! Nganong luya man ta?
Laay kayo eh.
Nganong laay man?
Hay, mingo kayo.
Pa, kuyog ta! Asa? Sa Kidapawan ba? Tara!
The capital of the Philippine province of Cotabato is Kidapawan. It is a third-class component city. The 2020 census indicates that 167,791 individuals call it home. It is situated at the base of Mount Apo, the highest peak in the nation. Another name for Kidapawan City is the spring in the highlands. It originated from the words Pawan, which means highland, and Tida, which means spring. It is an excellent location and a top-notch tourist destination. In my hometown, Cebuano is the most common language spoken. Ilocano, Maguindanao, and Hiligaynon are spoken by other settlers. Most people are also fluent in English and Tagalog. The Timpukpo Fruit Festival is one of the well-known celebrations that represents our culture of fruit harvesting. Every year in August, we celebrate it. Since harvest is referred to by this generic term, it is termed Timpukpo. There is a parade of fruit floats to start this event. The majority of its early residents were indigenous people. The word Kidapawan evolved from Tidapawan due to the arrival of Christian settlers from Luzon and the Visayas. The province of Cotabato has the potential to become a top global tourism destination because of Mount Apo and its other breathtaking features. My hometown is essential to the province and its surrounding regions' economic growth. It serves as a hub for trade and commerce for 6 nearby communities. It also takes pride in its high agricultural production, which can serve as a solid foundation for vital businesses. Kidapawan City was established formally under the Republic Act No. 8500 on February 12, 1998 by the former President Fidel V. Ramos, designating it the first component city of Cotabato Province. On March 21, 1998, the voters decisively ratified the act during the plebiscite held for that purpose. It was once known as the Pikit District. Japanese imperial forces invaded Kidapawan in 1942, and 3 years later, local Filipino soldiers from the Philippine Commonwealth Army and Philippine Constabulary units, as well as the Moro guerrilla fighters brought in to free the island, fought the Japanese imperial forces. Later on August 18, 1947, the former President Manuel Rojas issued Executive Order No. 82, which officially recognized Kidapawan as a separate municipality. Kidapawan was then the fourth town in the then Empire Province of Cotabato, which was previously made up of the municipalities of Cotabato, now Cotabato City, Tulawan, later named Datupiang, and Midsayap. The 12 original barangays, Birada, Hinatilan, Indangan, Linangkob, Lovimin, Manongol, Marbel, Mateo, Miohao, Muaan, Perez, and Sibawan were established concurrently with the city. Kidapawan's initial 273,262 hectares of land were divided into 4 municipalities: Magpet, Matalam, Lang, and President Rojas. Of these, Kidapawan kept just 34,007.20 hectares. Kidapawan was governed by 5 appointed district mayors until it became a municipality. First, when World War II broke out, Datos Yawan Incal, the tribal chieftain of the Manobos, led the Civilian Emergency Administration. Pelimon Blanco, Seferino Villanueva, Jacinto Paclibar, and Alfonso Angeles Sr., who was elected as the municipality's first mayor, followed him. By Presidential Decree No. 341 of November 22, 1973, Kidapawan became the provincial capital of Cotabato Province, with Amas serving as the provincial seat of government. Later, The province of North Cotabato was renamed simply Cotabato by Batas Pambansa No. 660 issued on December 19, 1983. Kidapawan had 40 barangays under its geopolitical jurisdiction by the time it was designated as the province capital.